All right, well, good morning and welcome back to Exit 45 Restorations. And today we got a Vette to strip down. So we got it running, we got it in the shop. Now we need to strip down the suspension, engine and tranny out of this thing so we can get it ready to go into the C10. So let's get going. All right, well, here it is. And first thing I want to do is I need to break the lugs loose before I get this thing up in the air. And I do have an issue because right here, see, we've got a locking lug there. I don't have anything to get that off. And I have looked through the car and I don't see anything. So, I will probably weld a nut onto here and see if I can't get it to back out that way. I don't feel like spending a lot of money trying to buy some kind of master key kit to get that off for, I'll probably use it one time, but they've all got one. So I'm going to have to go around and weld something onto each one of these and see if I can't get those broke loose. All right, let me get that done. All right, the welds are in the way for me to be able to get a socket on there, so I got one of those easy out things, see if I can get on it with that. All right, come on. All right, let's try that one. That won't grab. We'll figure it out. All right, let's see if we can't. Nope. We'll go back to the easy out, even though there doesn't seem to be anything easy about it. Come on, grab. Let's try putting another one on. Get it out a little farther where I can work with it. All right, let's try this. All right, let's see if we can get it. Huh. Huh, well, nope. Well, this is not supposed to be this hard. All right, let's see. What are my options? What are my options? So, how many more of these things do you think I got? I got 2 stuck now. Think I can get any more? I can't get the weld to hold, except for the first one. The first one I welded on, it's holding great. I just can't get on it. All right, let me get that one out again. All right, well, let's try this back tire, see if I can get it to go. Got it. Well, got one. One down, 3 to go. Well, I'm back where I started. I broke off the original one now. All right, let's give this a go. Woo! Ooh, that's tight. All right, let's give this a go. All right, let's try it again. Wow, that is really, really in there. That is really tight. All right, going with the bigger bar. I'm going to extend this out a little bit more with another nut. I don't know what else to do, but keep trying to get it out here where I can get a better grab on it. Okay, I'm going to try welding a big old bolt on this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Let's give it a try. How did I do that? Sheared it right off. I don't even know what to say about that. I guess I could weld it back on. You know, I got the other side in one try. One try. I have done more welding. I'm glad I'm not keeping these rims because they're going to be shot. All right. We'll see. All right, let's try it again. Can't really tell if it's working. Nope. No, it's not. Well, I'm trying to get creative, okay? Here's some of the scrap I got. I got a big old railroad ties sitting out there. I don't know. It's good leverage. Welded up strong enough. Hopefully it'll just enough to break it loose. That's all I need, break it loose. I don't know. I've tried everything else that makes more sense, but sometimes it's the stuff that doesn't make sense that works. So let's give the nonsense a try. Nonsense wins. There's always a way, guys. Always a way. Oh, I can't believe it. It worked. Look at that mess. Oh, that's hot. Look at that. Look at all that junky welds, man. Anyway, you can see it. Got it out, though. Oh, the nonsense worked. All right, let's... 2 more to go. All right, let's see if we can get this one in one shot. Okay, so the answer is no, not in one try. Those welds did not hold at all. I'm trying to keep from getting the weld too high up so I can't get my socket on. All right, take 2. Nope. Take 3. We'll put the rest of this bolt on. We're getting pretty close to me going back to the ridiculous. All right, let's see what we got. Nope. Do I go back to the tried and true railroad tie? I'm not sure I'm far enough out where I can get it on there, but I can try. All right, I went back to the absurd. try it again. See if I got a little bit stronger on there. Let me see. Well, now I think it's tight. Yep, it's loose. It worked. Now I just gotta figure out how to get it off. All right. Got that one. All right, let's give it a go. Fail. All right, I welded on a grade 8 bolt. I don't know what else to do, but let's see if it's strong enough. Here we go. I think we got it. Oh, yes. There you go. What a mess that was. All right, got 4 of them off. It only took me half a day. All right, so here we go. There's the carnage to get 4 locking lugs off of the Vette. A lot of really crappy welding, over and over and over, trying to get whatever solution to work. And it only took me till 2 o'clock. That's it. All right, I can get this thing. We can get it up in the air now, get it supported, and I can get up underneath it. Well, there you go. I got it up, or I can get underneath, start disconnecting everything underneath from the engine. I can get onto that back end. I can get that taken care of so I can get that rear end dropped. I got the hood off and set up there. And all the tires are off, so I did get somewhere today after spending all day on those locking lugs. But that's where I'm at. We got it ready to work on is what we got. It just took a long time to get it there. Longer than I expected for sure. So, all right. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do underneath here is clear me some space to work, which means I really need to get the exhaust out of the way. I'm gonna just go in there and just cut it out. No, I'm not really gonna keep it or anything. So grab my Sawzall. Yeah, let's get it cut out. Let's give me some room to work. More to go. I'm getting there. Lots. Getting rid of this spare tire cover in the way. Gone. All right, this is making it a whole lot easier under here. Okay. Got it. All of that, whatever, how long ever it took me, 10, 15 minutes, I don't know. Made me a huge amount of room underneath there. So I just got the tailpipe muffler and the tailpipe to come off right now. That shouldn't be too difficult. So let me get that out of the way. And I have great access to the rest of it then. All right, so you can see, I got a bolt right here. There's a couple up there. I got a choice. I guess I could do this one or those. I'll see whatever happens to come out easiest, and I just got to do that on both sides. And that should clear the underside of the car. I'll get you in there better. It's kind of dark underneath right now. I'll get you with some light and just show you. But, all right, let me get those off. All right. She's noisy. There we go. I didn't see that coming. Probably should have, but I didn't. We'll try and take some of the squeak out. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try. All right. Come on. Can't see. I need my light. Sorry. Got it in your, right in your eyes, didn't I? My bad. Whew, now it's in mine. That's right. All right, let's see. Let's see what we get here. Yeah. Well, quieter. All right. Okay. All right, guys. I think we're going to end this one here. How's that? We're going to end it just like this. I'm not going to get up. I'm just going to lay here. It's been a long day. Wow. All right. Let's get you in here. Get some light so you can see where we're at and what we're going to be doing. Hey, guys. Wow, all jumpy. Settle down. All right. A little cozy under here, isn't it? There we go. Now we're all separated out. Okay. So you can see when you look here, this whole center tunnel was basically covered up with the exhaust coming all the way down. And of course it came out and blocked all this. And then of course the tire cover that was spare tire cover that was here was blocking all of this. So now with all that off, you can see there's a mount bolt there. There's one there, much easier to get to. You can see right here, there's a couple of bolts right there. There's a brace that runs from there all the way up to the front that I should be able to have access to now, and I can get that down so I can get to the drive shaft. That's it, guys. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. I can see everything underneath here now, so it should be a little bit better to get to. All right, let's get out from underneath here, because wow. All right. Wow, that was fun. All right, so we're gonna call it right now for the day and for this video. We got the Vette in here. We did that on the last video. We got it running. It drove its 50 feet and then promptly died once it got in here, and I couldn't get it started again. So it gave me exactly what I needed. That was it. So on this video, we've been able to do a lot of things. We got the hood off. The battle that it was to get those stupid locking lugs off. That was terrible. Then just getting underneath here, getting the tires off, getting the exhaust cut out, and all those things, just getting it prepped. So we're going to leave it here because this is as far as I'm going to be able to get this week. And it's really a good stopping point. And what I'll do is I'll pick it up with, we'll get the rear end on the next one. We'll get the rear end down and out of here. And then we'll look and see how long that takes. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Maybe we can get in there and get the underside of the engine completely disconnected so that we can get this thing down lower, because right now I got it up so I can work underneath it, but once I get to that point, I should be able to drop this thing down closer to the ground, and it'll make it a lot easier getting that motor out. So then all I have to do is the top side, and then I can get to the front suspension. It's a mouthful. All right, so I appreciate you guys. 500, we did it, guys. We did it. I was shocked. I was like, wow, we did it. Thanks, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I'm already off and marching towards the next 500. Let's get to that 1,000. Keep setting these goals. Bring more people in. It's a lot more fun. Hey, right? More fun, more people. Yeah. And you're just getting a taste. We're just getting started on this project. Once I get all of this out of here, we got to bring the 65 C10 in so we can strip everything off of the frame and get that frame set up in here, and then start fitting the suspension to it. So, I mean, the fun is really just, it's building. I'm telling you guys, that's going to be a project. I've never done anything like this, so I'm a little nervous, but with some patience, taking my time, we should get it, I think, set and taken care of right. So please keep liking, subscribing, all those things. I appreciate it. Let's get to that next marker of 1,000. All right. See you on the next one.